In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel filler housing on this Ford F-150. This will be located along the driver's side rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to mention is we will have to make our way into the vehicle, so make sure you're in a safe area to do so. Aside from that, hand and eye protection at all times, we're going to open up the fuel door and we're going to dislodge the fuel door from our apparatus here. To do this, you can use a pick or even a small pocket screwdriver like I have. You're going to find that this has a small locking tab that you want to gently pry out and away. Then take hold of the door and pull it out towards you. Just going to try to push this in here. There's that. We can see our tabs. A quick inspection will set this aside. Now we're going to make our way underneath the vehicle. What we're looking for is if you are inside the driver's side wheel well, you can see a bolt head right here. We're going to use a 13mm to remove this, and this will allow us to pull down on our fuel filler neck. Quick inspection of the hardware, of course. Now we can move this around as necessary. Now with that broken free, we're making our way up and behind this area where we can see our fuel filler neck inside that rear fender area. I can move the fuel filler neck around, but what we actually need to do is continue on with an angled pick. You can probably also use a pry bar if necessary. There's 4 locking tabs holding this in place. One right here, one over on the other side, and the other 2 are up along the top, which are a little bit more difficult to gain access to. We'll start along the bottom. For these locking tabs, I'm just going to carefully try to push up on them. While pressing up, I'm also going to start pushing this outward. Typically, you can do that with the same tool at the same time. There we are. There we are, the bottom's starting to break free here. At this point, I have 3 of my 4 tabs unlocked. This one on the forward upper corner is the hardest one to gain access to. So I'm just going to make my way on the outside with a plastic trim tool, and we're going to carefully start trying to pull this out of place. As I mentioned, we do still have one more locking tab. You can try to grab this by hand, give it a little twist. If you need to, you can use the trim tool. Just going to pivot this. Should slide right out of there. Here we go. There it is, friend. All right, let's prepare for installation of our brand new part. We're going to have to take this and come in at an angle because as you can tell along this portion, it's going to have to come in and behind the rearward aspect of the bed / fender right here. So we'll start bringing this around, but we also need to align our filler neck port with its corresponding port that's on the piece itself. So let's go ahead and start bringing this over. If you wanted to, you could have this in the closed position. It's really up to you, whatever's easiest. Now I'm trying to align this right along here. Now as I press this in, I'm going to have to reach up underneath this area to take hold of that inlet tube, and we're going to align that to get it into place. There we are. Let's continue on to driving this in, locking in all 4 of our locking tabs. This is extremely important that it's secure. We'll just double check, make sure it's seated all the way around. This is perfect. Let's make our way back underneath the vehicle. Now we're under here, it's time to install our 13mm headed mounting bolt. We'll just align it with its mounting bolt hole, start it in, snug it up. The torque for this is 133 inch-pounds. Here we go. It's time to install the fuel filler door. For this, we're going to align it with its mounting slots, and then we'll press it in until it's in the fully locked position. Listen for a click. A light tug trying to remove it. It should not slide out of place. Go ahead and test the functionality. Okay friend, we finished our installation and we've tested the functionality. At this point, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.